Here we have the old panel. Of course, with it being a sub panel, now you have to have both a neutral and a ground. And you have to separate all your grounds out. Originally did not have all the separated grounds out. They had the ground on the neutral bar, but they had like 4 grounds in the one spot, and that's a no-no. They also had like 2 neutrals in the one spot, and that's not allowed either. So yeah, we added the new bars back there, one on each side, and these are short bars, about, let me see, about yay long on each side. Now here they kind of left the wire short, it won't reach to up there. On the other end, I think they did this also, left the wire a little short. We might be able to shorten the flex, and we might not. Of course, we have no ends. Have no end here, and we have no end down there. So we have to get some ends also. As you can see, there's no connection. There's no 45 there. It's just close. And then they come in, put a strap, and then they're missing the conduit. And you can see the conduit inside the wall, so we got to bring that on out. Put a box there, 90 there, 90 over there, and come back to here.